Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power sunroof, Bose sound system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, chrome mirror caps, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.